Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make flashcards on RemNote, so let's get straight into it. Alright, now first what we need to do is basically create flashcards. So what we need to do, head over here to the left side where you see in this menu flashcard, so click on it. Now we can have a look here in the flashcard. So in this home tab here, type your flashcard right now and then create a note. Now we can create a bullet document, no bullet document, handwritten document. I have created no bullet document right over here. So if you click on it, you will see that you can put in title. And now we can start with some example. So let's say put in here a new one question. Then the most common way you will see the front and guess the back. So let's select it with these two. So if you saw it, we will use these two and it changed here to the preview here. And I will type here Paris, just like that. Now we have also bidirectional function, so that creates two cards, front and back to front. So for example, let's say I will type in oxygen here, and then I will use these two and this one here. And you see now bidirectional arrow right over here. And now I will type in here O2, just like that. Back to front only, it will show you the answer first. So that I can show you right now again. Right here, this first one, what you are going to do is basically select this kind of way. So to these things. And right here, for bidirectional way, you will use like that, or you can use just like that, but this will show the answer first, and after that it will show the question. Now we can also hide specific word within a sentence. So let's say we have typed in here Paris, and now we will highlight this text, these words, and press right here these close cards. As you can see, you can also use this left bracket key twice anywhere to make a new blank. So if I click right here, now it's selected, so it will be hidden. Okay, now if you have a list of items to memorize under one heading, type your heading and use the this symbol right here. So let's say for example list, and then we can type in just like that and press enter, and then tap to indent the items underneath. So tap, and just like that you will see here that basically it generates a list, and then we can type in as a list, as you can see here. So now it's like list card, asking you to recall all items at once. This is great for anatomy or diagrams, so image occlusion, hiding parts of a photo. So what we need to do is paste an image into the RemNote. So let me take a minute that I paste in an image just like that. Not all right. It is right here. And now click on the image and we will select occlude image. So what we are going to do basically, now here you will see these three dots at the top right corner of the image and then make image occlusion flashcard. So click on it. Now draw the box over the part you want to hide. So let's do it like that. Just like that. And each box becomes a separate flashcard. So set occlusion area just like that. Now you see that it's selected. So okay, now we see here practice. Click on it. And then you see here now I try to recall it show answer. As you can see, oxygen. Then we have the capital of France is Paris. And now as you can see also on the image, it's hidden, so it's a dog like that. And then the list which we also added in. So yeah. All right, so this is basically how you make a flashcard. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.